Hi all, today we're going to go through Adobe Stock, and I'm going to say if I would recommend that as a buy or avoid of the stock, and we're going to get stuck into it with a couple of things and forecasts that are going on in that company. Adobe currently is up 68% at the moment, which is really good. Personally, I'm a user of Adobe. It's such a strong brand as well. If you don't know what Adobe is, basically it's a good editing software that offers a lot of services. It's also in the cloud now, where you can access programs through the cloud service. So Adobe is advancing into that area as well. And it's just a strong brand. It's a well-known brand in editing. You know, Adobe is up here, and any other company that's editing is down here. There's such a gap. And when you invest in a company, I always think it's great to invest in a company that has a strong brand. So we're going to go through the analysts. I think it's always important to see what they're saying. I think it can control the stock movements quite a bit, which is really important to look at. I think the financials are more important than the analysts' kind of opinions, but I think they can also have a lot of control on where the movement goes a little bit. So at the moment, Adobe has among 32 polled investors that are rating it as a buy. 22 are saying buy, 3 outperform, 6 hold, and there's only the 1 sell on it, which is a really good thing to see. All this is taken from the CNN website, and we're going to go through to the forecast. So we're looking at the forecast, and we've got the nice step there, the stairs. If you look at the Q4 to the Q4 in 2016 to the Q4 in 2017, you can look and see how much that was actually beaten by, which is really good. And we can see into what is forecast to be in Q4 in 2017. And you look at the distance between the Q1 in 17 to Q1 in 18 that's forecast. There's a nice gap there. So I think that is a really good thing to be looking out for at the earnings per share. As the earning per share by year, you can see the kind of step. You can see the little step down in 2014, and then from there we had a nice gain. And look at the gap between 16 to 17 and 17 to 18. Something really to be forecasting on there. Really good growth annually, 39%. That is exceptional. And the sales, we've got some nice stairs on the sales. If you look at the Q quarter reports from the sales, some nice stairs, but the thing that really stands out to me here overall is that 2017-2018 forecast. If them forecasts come true, that is very exceptional growth over a year. That 2018 forecast gives me confidence to say that that is exceptional growth forecast for Adobe. This is an article about Adobe being on fire after the stock earning reports on Q3, and you can kind of see about how much Adobe has dominated the competition in its area. Just going through it, you can see that it says here, the experienced cloud business is benefiting from this cellular shift towards leveraging data to deliver enhanced customer experiences. As companies continue to leverage data to deliver more personalized customer experiences, Adobe's Experience Cloud will continue to grow. Revenues in this segment grew 26% to the previous quarter, so 26% in one quarter. That is really good. So, in the last paragraph here, we can see about how great Adobe is in the shifts. Plus, there really isn't much competition. That's a big thing. In any sector, there's a competition normally. In Adobe sector, there's no, like I said, there's such a gap between the editing program sectors that Adobe will continue to dominate this market. And the growth from the forecast figures is exceptional. So I kind of see this stock just going up at the moment. Personally, am I invested in Adobe? I actually bought a couple of shares in Adobe a few days ago after the Q3 earning reports. I'm going to hold these through to 2018 more than likely, depending that these forecasts gets hit. So at the moment I would recommend Adobe as a buy. That's the video done for today, guys. If you would like me to do any stocks, please comment down below and I'll have a look and I might do them. Apart from that, give the video a like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.